How to get the rankings you want. How to get the rankings you want on Google. Everyone wants to dominate Google and get their site ranked number 1. It's almost a given. So, what is the best way to do it? Follow these steps, and you will dominate Google and gain top page rankings. First, you want to optimize your site for Google. This is very important if you want Google to view your site as one of the top search results. Optimizing your site for Google is also going to increase the amount of traffic that comes to your site. Therefore, this is a win-win situation for everyone involved. Second, you want to build a large list. I know, the thought of building a list is repulsive to some. However, if you want to get the rankings you want, you are going to have a large list. Your best option is to join an autoresponder service that will give you a list of subscribers to market to over again. Third, when you optimize your site for Google, you want to do a few things that will help you climb the ladder of the search engines. First of all, be sure that your meta tags are correct. Hello and thanks for checking out my video. In today's video I am going to be talking about how to get the rankings you want. My name is Richard Murphy and I am from New Zealand, so for now just sit back, relax and enjoy the video. Next, try to include as many keywords in the title of your articles as possible. These are the first few sentences of your article and they are most important when it comes to getting high rankings. Fourth, be sure to submit your site to as many directories as you can. This will show Google that other people recognize who you are and that you have a presence out there. Also, submitting to as many directories as possible is the fastest way to get your site listed and ranked. Just remember that if you don't have any submissions to a particular directory, Google might not consider your site at all. Fifth, don't sell products on your site. When you start doing business online, you may not know how profitable it can be, but it can be very profitable if you find a niche that doesn't have a lot of competition. One of the top positions for many pages nowadays is in the category of beauty products, so it's a good idea to stick with that route. You can still sell other things on your site, but if you want to make the most money, stick with selling the actual products, not products tied to the top position. Sixth, keep on submitting to the top directories and to various blogs and article directories. Doing so will give your site high listings, which will bring you lots of visitors and potential customers. If your top listing is removed, you will be left with nothing but the frustration of not being able to find your top page. Seventh, make sure you have a high PR rating on Google. A low PR rating will hurt your ability to get the rankings you want. High PR ratings mean high listings, so make sure your PR is high so you have a chance of getting noticed. High listings and high PR will bring you lots of traffic. Finally, use social media to your advantage. Twitter is great for this, as are Facebook and Dig. Try to get involved in discussions and forums on these sites, and post links to your top page or products there as often as you can. Social media is an extremely effective way to get the rankings you want. It also helps to build relationships with other people on the web who may be interested in your products or services. You will, if you are looking to get the rankings you want, then you need to make sure that you have all the information that you can in front of you. No one else can tell you how to get the rankings you need, and you can take advantage of this in several different ways. Go out and make friends and ask people you know if they know anyone who can help you out. The top 3 places on Google all have millions of visitors every single day. If you can get a little visibility, you can easily boost your rankings upwards and out into the rest of the search engine landscape. If you have the content, you need to have the strategy to back it up. Once you've done this, you will start to see results and your business will start booming. Thanks for watching my video about how to get the rankings you want. If you got value from watching my video, hit the subscribe button below this video. Well, that's about all from me. This is Richard Murphy from New Zealand signing off until my next video.